Did you notice why the Light Fury attacked Hiccup? When she first meets Toothless, there's instant chemistry, but the moment humans appear, she panics. She's a wild dragon, and humans mean danger. Toothless tries to calm her down, but she escapes instead. Later, when Hiccup and the villagers head toward the hidden world, she secretly follows them, watching. From her perspective, it looks like Toothless is being kept by humans. So when she finally strikes, it's not out of hatred. She blasts Hiccup into the air to set Toothless free, but then something changes. Toothless doesn't leave with her. He saves Hiccup. That's when she realizes the truth. This isn't control. It's loyalty. That night she returns, not to fight, but to choose him. Do you think the Light Fury was protecting Toothless or testing him? Comment. Protecting or testing?